telling myself, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. No, I ain't worried about the women, about the women. My main concern is how the rent is getting paid. Yo, it's your boy DMV Spitter, and I have a special guest with me today, my lovely lady, Cookie. And today we're gonna do a review on Crumbl cookies. Yeah. Crumbl just opened up around my neighborhood. Tried it a couple times, but I'm hoping it hits even different because it's right down the street, opposed to being like in Rockville. So the cookies we have today are regular milk chocolate chip. Then we got pink velvet cake. We got the pink donut and the cake batter blondie. Those are the four that we're trying today.
It's the pink experience. Tap into it.
Yeah. I think they're supporting breast cancer awareness.
Yep.
So, you know.
Support the tits.
So, hey, I mean, we're going to try. So, which one you want to try first, my lady?
The one that looks most scrumptious.
Which one is that?
That would be the pink velvet cake. I'm feeling velvety right now.
Yeah, and I'm actually seeing like the cookie itself is actually pink.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. But ladies first, go ahead. But yeah, let's show them what the cookie looks like. Can they see that? And I should use my phone and record. So just close up of the cookies. Oh, they're so great. So we're gonna try this one first. Let's get to go first.
We didn't get a knife to cut these in half. Are we gonna do a you may eat the cake, husband and wife, and we're gonna eat both sides like
you want to do it like that?
And the tramp.
You want to be funny like that?
The first one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
With your loved one, you'll find an enchantment here.
It tastes like it's nothing crazy, right?
Right.
It tastes like a sugar cookie that's pink.
Yeah.
But the cream on it is actually really, really good.
It's cheesecake.
Yeah, the cheesecake on it is really good.
So a pink dyed sugar cookie with cheesecake topping.
Yeah. Like
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's like
I don't know why I was expecting a little bit more.
Yeah, I was too because it looked really, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But it's basically just a sugar cookie with cheesecake on it. I mean, yeah, like I said, it tastes good. The presentation's really good too. It looks really nice. That's why you think it's gonna be like super crazy, and then when you bite into it, you're like, oh, it's a nice tasting sugar cookie with cream.
Yeah.
Like, so it's good, but it's like it's not gonna blow you away.
So what are we rating this?
Out
of 10.
Out of 10? I mean, I don't know, maybe like I want to say like a 6 or a 7 because it's actually
It's not bad.
It's a good.
It's above average.
Yeah, it's a good cookie. It's an actual good cookie, but it's like when you think of Crumbl, you think of their creative, things that they put together, and you're just like, this is basically just a regular cookie. Like, I thought it would be more to it because it's red, pink velvet. I thought maybe it'd be a little bit extra. Like I think what was it, the strawberry cream cheese cake, cookie. That one, amazing. But this one, just a normal cookie. But I give it like a 6 or a 7. But it's a good cookie. Quality wise, it's a really good cookie.
I would have to agree. It's basically the pink sugar cookie that they sell every week in Rivers. The pink is on the bottom, the white is on top.
Yeah, that's actually pretty accurate. Yeah.
Next up, we got
Inspired Homer Simpson.
Yes, I'm actually a huge Simpsons fan.
Donuts.
It's the pink donut.
Yeah, the pink donut.
This one I think we can break in half.
Yeah, because it's, yeah.
Bam.
Bam. All right.
Ready?
Here we go. I taste the strawberry in it. Mm.
Average. It's a 5.
Yeah,
It's a sugar cookie with pink frosting and sprinkles.
yeah, like, not gonna cap. Yeah, it's like,
Their brand.
yeah, I will say I like this one a little bit more than that one.
Really?
Because I'm like not a huge fan of like cheesecake.
Mm.
So like, because, and I like strawberry, and like Homer Simpson's favorite donut is actually my favorite donut, strawberry frosted. So I like that a little bit more. But like, texture wise, that one has a lot more going on. Like, it's like, this is technically better. This one's better than that cookie, but I prefer this one because it caters to more what I like.
Okay.
But this is the better cookie, like the better presentation, texture, and everything. This cookie.
So I rated a 5. What do you rate it?
I would say like a 5 or a 6. But I said this one's like a 6 or a 7.
So then the pink velvet must be a 7.
Yeah.
And the pink donut is a 6 to you, but a 5 for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would. Yeah.
Next.
You can go with the milk chocolate.
Now everyone knows they sell this as like their norm now. So in case no one ever had this before, this is what it looks like. It's super chunky, super delicious looking.
Yeah.
And if we break it apart, I
Bam.
know.
Yeah. I like how they're cooking these cookies.
I love super chunky cookies, especially with the chocolate chips. Love them.
Yeah, like chocolate chip is my favorite. Like, I'll go buy my own cookie dough and make my own cookies.
I'm gonna eat the middle first. It's the best part.
She said the middle.
Mm-hmm.
I just think the whole cookie's great. It's definitely a chocolate chip cookie.
Love it. Chocolate chip cookie is my favorite. That's my nickname. Definitely 10 out of 10. Like, you can't beat it. The classic.
Yeah, and their chocolate chip is actually really good. I'm not usually a fan of like soft cookies, but their soft cookies is like really, really good. And then just like the chocolate they use for the chocolate chips is like really, really good quality.
It's not that sweet.
Yeah, and that's another thing. Like, all these cookies are not overly sweet. Like, I'm old, so I don't like sugary stuff that's like super sweet. So like, to find like places that sell cookies or cupcakes that are not overly sweet but still have that flavor that you love, you got me sold. I'm sold. you know. And that's what I like about crumble cookies is it's not overly sweet, but it still has the flavor that you're looking for when you eat sweet stuff like cookies and you know what I'm saying. So definitely love that. That's 10 out of 10.
All right, we both agree. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I always look forward because I was like questioning like, should I get it? And then she was like, I don't want the regular sugar cookie, the pink sugar cookie. We was actually gonna get that. She said, no, get the chocolate chip. I always want chocolate chip, but I be thinking it's too plain. But I be forgetting she loves chocolate chip too. So
That's my nickname.
yep.
And the last cookie.
Blondie cake batter.
All right, and look at it. Like it's definitely a blonde drink.
Yeah.
Wow, it definitely looks like it has macadamia in it. Is that what they said?
I don't know. I didn't even look at it. I was just like, it looked like maybe macadamia.
It looks like a chocolate chip cookie with macadamia nuts or white chocolate chips in it.
Yeah, actually
But-
does.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Breaking it in half.
Can you?
Ooh.
I'm not even a fan of macadamia nuts,
Either
but
macadamia or white chocolate chip.
it looks like it could be. If it's white chocolate, they done gone crazy.
Let's taste.
Stay. I don't know what it is.
It's not macadamia.
It's not.
It's white chocolate chip.
Like
But I don't taste the pink. I'm guessing the pink is just a sprinkle.
I guess so, but
But-
like
Basically, a white chocolate chip cookie versus the chocolate chip cookie. It just throws in some sprinkles. Yeah, 'cause this is definitely white chocolate chip, and then
but it's good though.
yeah,
Like the white chocolate, and I'm not even a huge fan of white chocolate. Like I like certain things with white chocolate. So the fact that I like this is actually good. Like the the white chocolate is actually good. It's nice infused into the cookie.
so what would you rate it?
I'm gonna say like 8 or a 9 because it's basically a reverse chocolate chip cookie with sprinkles, but it's good. Like it all blends together, even the sprinkles.
I think we agree on damn near everything. 'Cause
Yeah.
I agree with you. This is definitely 8 out of 10.
Yeah,
So basically, outside of the chocolate chip cookie, Pink Blondie is the best cookie for this
Yeah.
week.
yeah, it's definitely really good. Like it doesn't have the texture of the pink velvet, but it has the consistency of a chocolate chip cookie and a little bit pop like the pink velvet a little bit in the donut. It has a mixture of like all three of these donuts, all three of these cookies right here. That cookie has the qualities of like all three, except for
Mhm.
the cheesecake, but that kind of makes up with the white chocolate because it's white chocolate,
Right.
so it hits differently with the cookie dough. Like that shit's good.
I agree.
Oh, that shit is good.
Okay, that's it.
All right.
You ate all the cookies, but you didn't eat me.
Oh Lord.
Cut!
But YouTube, it's your boy DMV Spitter. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that post notification bell. It's your boy DMV Spitter once again with my lovely lady Cookie, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
At an early age, cash rules everything. And if you ain't talking moolah, then you ain't saying a thing. Who wants to be king when you